Why is accounting a significant aspect of cybersecurity? It might seem like an unusual question, but the answer lies in the heart of ensuring the safety and integrity of our computer systems. Accounting, in the context of cybersecurity, plays a vital role in tracking and logging activity within a system. It's not just about numbers and balance sheets, it's about data security and integrity. Imagine accounting as the diligent note-taker in the corner, keeping a record of every event that occurs in a system. This process serves various purposes, from monitoring capacity to allocating resources. It's the meticulous logging and tracking of activity that provides us with a detailed picture of what is happening within a system at any given moment. At the core of this process is a log file, a record of events produced by a computer's operating system or its applications. These log files are like the diary of a system, providing a chronological account of everything that has happened. To make these logs more accessible and meaningful, we turn to event logs. Event logs translate the raw data into a human-readable format, providing an audit trail that can be used to troubleshoot issues and identify potential security threats. One common protocol for logging system events is Syslog. It's a standard for message logging, allowing for separation between the software that generates messages and the system that stores them. Once we have these logs, what do we do with them? This is where auditing comes into play. Auditing is the process of reviewing the data collected during the accounting process. It's like a detective combing through clues, looking for anything out of the ordinary. In some cases, this detective work can lead to forensics, the analysis of logging information to aid in a criminal investigation. It's a deep dive into the data, seeking to uncover the truth hidden within the logs. To ensure that nothing slips through the cracks, continuous monitoring is employed, also known as real-time monitoring. This involves the generation of warnings and alerts based on log events. It's like having a vigilant security guard, always on duty, always watching. Data analysis is another key component, transforming raw data into useful information. It's about making sense of the data, finding patterns and drawing conclusions. One tool often used in data analysis is regular expressions, or regex. Regex is a syntax used by search algorithms to find specific strings of text within the data. It's like a searchlight, illuminating the data we're interested in. Finally, there's the concept of non-repudiation, the inability to deny that an action was taken. This ensures accountability, making it impossible for anyone to deny their actions within the system. In conclusion, accounting in cybersecurity goes beyond mere number crunching. It's about logging and tracking activity, auditing data, employing continuous monitoring, analyzing data, and ensuring non-repudiation. It's about maintaining the integrity of our systems and ensuring their security. So, next time you hear the term accounting in the context of cybersecurity, remember, it's not just about numbers, it's about keeping our digital world secure.